Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about setting up dependencies in our Maven project. So for now, all we'll just set up is just the Selenium dependency, because that's all we need right now. We have already, in the previous videos, we have installed the Chrome driver and we've set it to path, and we've tested it that it works. We did that on a Windows system and we did that on a Mac system. So right now we are going to install our Selenium dependency and we'll see how that will work. Remember that we only need Selenium because that is how the project would run. The way the Selenium structure, the way it is orchestrated, is that there is a WebDriver manager that takes the code, interprets it, and instructs a WebDriver that instructs the browser instance on what to do, how to launch the page, how to locate the element, and what to do with the element, and how to interact with the elements, basically. Unlike what we've done before, if you've watched my video in Cypress, where Cypress inherently inherits, like, it works underneath the browser itself, so it's more direct. But with Selenium, that is like an intermediary which the WebDriver plays, and that is why we need the Selenium dependency. So let's begin. So we open our code, and right there we can add this dependencies. All right, that is one of the powerful things in IntelliJ. It helps you to auto complete things for you, so it makes it easier for you. So we can go on our browser and go to the Maven repository. We could just search for the Maven repository, and inside there we can search for Selenium Java. All right, because we need that, and this is it. So we can pick any of these version. We can pick the latest version, we can pick a middle version and all. But what these versions that are like this, I advise you that you should avoid them, because they are more or less like versions that are not stable. They are most likely not stable. They are still under experiment, which would lead to later versions. So we can pick any one of these versions here. I really like to shy away from the most recent versions, especially when it doesn't have a lot of usage. So usually what I look at is the one that has the most usage, or some one that I either pick a version below the latest version or two versions below the latest version. So that's what I do, and I look at the usage as well. So that being said, I will pick version 4.1.1 for this exercise. So here you have the dependency. You could click here to include the comments there to show where the comment shows where the Selenium dependency will be downloaded from, and you could decide to uh, exclude it. So once you click into this, it copies it to your clipboard. So all you just need to do is come to your IntelliJ and paste that. And when you paste that, what it does is the Maven repository would install it. I have installed this before, so that's why it's not installing anything for me. I can try to do this, and you will see that it would install for me. Okay, have I used the latest version 2 before? Let me just put it back. Oh yeah, I think I have. So let me just put it back the way it is. And just to be sure, if I click on dependencies, and it's not loading up, so it means it has not loaded the dependency for me. So what I need to do is come to Maven and reload all the Maven. I will reload this. So now it is indexing it. and that should fix the issue. Yep, now we have the dependency there. So I guess we're good on that end. So this brings us to the end of the video. So in the next video, we will we'll write a simple script to launch a particular web page. Now, what we will be using at this point will be in the main folder. We will be working with um, our potential class that will be our page object class. We will be working with it and we'll be testing inside it at first. Then when we've gotten to a point where we understand what we have done, we will now refactor the script and try to use annotations to arrange it. So that will be what we will do in the next video, and the site that we will be using is this. Yeah, this is the site that we're going to use. I found it online, and it's similar to the type of sites I've used before. I just wanted something different, so but they are kind of similar, so we would use this and use this to do the automation, and we'll see how it goes from there. Admin sandbox. Yep. So this is it. This is the admin user. So we'll run some tests here. All right. We'll do a login and probably just view another page or something, or we'll just do the whole login process for the 4 different types of users that you can see there. And let me log out so we can still see the users there. Okay, so this is it. So we shall start this in the next video, like I said. So once again, thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye bye.